Something of pretty interesting, I think, for tomorrow, Friday's market, and even for the weekend. Probably this could be valid till we open on Monday. We have a weekend, and there could be some news from international markets also. I am guessing, and considering all this, I am trying to make you aware about what are the developments on the chart. So here I have given two charts, right? This is a candlestick chart and this is a line chart. When we say line chart, we mean the closings, the daily closing. That is very important. That must always be noted separately. Candlestick charts give you the range, the high and the low that may be achieved during the day or could be achieved during the coming days. This gives you the most important closings, right? So here, let's look at line chart. The line chart definitely shows there is a kind of a resistance here at this level of 22,217. Any closing about 22,117 could be good. But still, it will need to cross this level on closing levels, on closing basis of 22,332, 22,332 for any upside. Now, this blue highlight which I have shown is actually a gap in the line chart, which shows that there is a overall resistance level between 22,332 and 22,217. This 22,332 to 22,217 is the resistance level for closing basis. We need any time a closing above 22,232 for upside. At the same time, there is one very important support here on line chart, which had two distinct points here, and where earlier support has been taken. And even here, it was taken on intraday basis. Intraday low was somewhere here. Intraday low here was somewhere here, but closing basis was above this line. So now this line is also very important, 21,929. If we happen to close below this line, either tomorrow by close on Friday, or we happen to open on Monday, anything lower than this, then there's a big range available till down 21,191. Now, this is something which is quite dreadful. So, big caution. If everything is fine, and if you want to be seeing the resumption of upside, then we need a closing about 22 to 32, about this line. Tomorrow, if it closes about this line, then we may see some resumption. There is a possibility of resumption. But if it hovers below this line, and if hovers below 22,217, unless the Monday news is extraordinarily good, we may see a little downfall. We may see a resumption of slide. Today, what it has done, let's come to candlestick chart. There was a slight bounce, but again, not enough bounce that it can cross these levels, the earlier levels of resistance. Right? So, earlier levels of resistance is this point, 22,251, even this point, 22,217. All lows are resistances when it moves upside, right? So, to move upside, today it made an attempt but could not close better. Could not close in such a way that it meant yesterday's fall was not a good enough event for bears. But now I think it is quite a serious fall, considering that the bounce was not able to move above 22,217. So, all in all, tomorrow, if we open below 21,929 and we move below 21,840, we may see a resumption of downside, mainly because here this candle, when you move a line like this, cuts this candle, then cuts this candle, then down here cuts this candle, and all these candles are in candle shunting. What is candle shunting? It is like 3 to 4 bogies of a train. They're connected inside so that you can move and return the train from here to here to here to here. There is a free flow here. There is a free flow here as per Nimblr process. So this could mean quite a serious situation, and there is no resistances here in this fall, right? So if you see the same event here now on the line chart, the line chart also says that if it moves down below this, the first support could be here, which was here, both these points. If I connect this line and connect this line, right, there was some support, right, and then the next support could be right here. Now, again, this I am talking about closing basis. Intraday, it may show a value of 22,191, but on closing basis, it may not close below this line. So on line charts, if there is a fall, 840 into 21,191. So this could mean around 650 points or so, I guess. And that could be quite interesting. I mean, and it could be quite a top year, which was formed here on 22,524.